Tarot can be life-changing, but what happens when it actually clashes with your faith? Now, growing up in a household where tarot is seen as like evil can feel like it's walking a tightrope, torn between your own spiritual path and the people you love. And that fear of being found out can run really deep.
I come from a Catholic background, so there was that in the background. Plus, I was a full-time teacher. There were just all these kind of self-doubts coming up. So I kept it very hush-hush in the beginning.
I 100% know the religious, the family aspect of it. I was very scared of tarot. I was taught that it was wrong. I was taught that it was, that among other things, were just awful.
I definitely grew up with the, like, this is bad. Don't touch it. Don't look at it. Like, to turn away. But there was something that kind of aligned with my religion as well.
That fear of being found out or being seen as bad or wrong by others, it is real. And maybe you're worried about how others see you for practicing tarot, especially if you grew up in a religious family. But when you finally let go of that fear, something incredible happens. You actually start to claim your journey and yourself fully and unapologetically.
There was a time when I was kind of debating if I should share to my family that I'm doing the Biddy Tarot certification, but I made a decision that I'm gonna own it because this is my sole purpose. I'm not gonna be ashamed of it. So I did share that I'm going through the program, and surprisingly, they didn't say anything negative.
It's funny because I think everyone kind of is curious, even when you are like religious or whatever. Like his mother would be like, okay, read my cards. And so like I would read them, and before me, they wouldn't even probably let them in the house, but I'm able to like bridge that.
When you let go of that internal fear, the people around you might just start to surprise you because tarot becomes a bridge and not a barrier. And what you once thought would divide you can actually bring you closer to those people you love.
And then when I started to tell my family and friends, they were so excited and so on board, and everyone was like, can you do a tarot reading for me? Can you do one for me? And even my mum loves coming over now, just being like, oh, can you pull me a card or see what's coming up for me? So it was a really beautiful realization for me that a lot of it was just internalized.
You don't have to choose between your spiritual calling and your relationships. When you trust yourself and you embrace your path, you might just find that the people around you are actually so much more curious, more supportive, and more open than you could have ever imagined. Now, all of this is waiting for you inside of the Biddy Tarot Certification Program.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.